pears in red wine. Ingredients: 3 cups red wine, 1 cup white sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 whole cloves, 1 strip orange zest, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, optional, 3 whole black peppercorns, optional, 2 bay leaves, optional, 6 large firm pears. Preparation: combine the red wine, sugar, cinnamon, cloves, orange zest, fennel seed, peppercorns, and bay leaves in a large saucepan. Peel the pears, and remove the cores from the bottom, leaving the stems intact. Set aside. Bring the wine to a boil over high heat, stirring until the sugar has dissolved. Add the pears, return to a simmer, then reduce the heat to medium-low, and continue simmering until tender, about 25 minutes. Remove the pears from the wine syrup, cover, and refrigerate until cold. Strain the syrup through a mesh sieve, and discard the spices. Simmer the syrup over medium heat until thickened enough to coat the back of a spoon. Refrigerate the syrup until cold. Once the syrup is cold, pour over the pears, cover, and chill at least 2 hours before serving.